Solve this 120 here, 100 here, cross multiply, so it becomes 120 minus 100 upon 120 into 100 into 75x, that is equals to 360. Therefore 360 equals to 75x into 20 upon 120 into 100. Now solve this 21 the 26 and blah blah blah, you take everything on this side and keep x on one side. So what you get, 360 into 120 into 100, this 120 into 100 goes up and 75 into 20 comes down. Now solve this 21 the 26 and 75, you can solve this, you will get rupees 2880. This is x. But what is x? X means marked price, means this price which is marked on this MRP, we call it, which is marked on the product. So that is the required answer. Okay, 2880. Next, time in years in which rupees 64,000 will amount to rupees 68,921 at 5% per annum. Interest being compounded semi-annually is, it means, what does the problem mean? Firstly, this problem is of compound interest. Okay, so formula should be A equals to P into 1 plus R raised to N, right? Okay, then P is what? 64,000 principal, and A is also given, 68,921. Both the things are given. A is given, P is given, equals to 1 plus R. R means 5. But it is semi-annually. Semi-annually means what? R divided by 2 and N multiplied by 2 by the same number, right? We will consider that time as small n. Okay. Now it is semi-annually, so R divided by 2 and N multiplied by the same number. So it should be 2n, 2 into small n. So instead of writing 2n, 2n, 2n everywhere, raised to 2n, what we will do is we will write capital N equals to 2 into small n. So now we will be using capital N up to the end. So to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.